Kolkata Furniture, best furniture manufacturers, service providers in the Kolkata area. Our furniture manufacturers and designers offer reasonable prices, best home furniture designing and manufacturing services as per customers' requirements budget. We are fully responsible for delivering the furniture of your choice to your home within 15 days of placing the order. You can get low-price home furniture according to your room measurement: wardrobes, dressing tables, modular kitchen cabinet, study tables, doors, windows, LCD unit, sofa set, dining set, luxury bed furniture, different types of wood and plywood, laminates, polish, duco, lacquer, polycote furniture from our designers. Any type of furniture you can get from our designers with low price. Challenge in Kolkata Howrah West Bengal region and get fast delivery.